We need more ecological thinking in the UFO conversation and the UAP studies. Everyone still talks about the extraterrestrial hypothesis in relation to what they call non-human intelligence. So if we approach this problem, this enigma, only from the point of view of space and astrobiology, we are only going to involve the people that are expert on these subjects, namely space legislators, astrophysicists, cosmologists. And those are all great disciplines that should be involved in the conversation. But what if it turns out that part of the UFO phenomenon is actually earthbound, is ultimately terrestrial, native and indigenous to planet Earth? We're not going to do anything with space legislation. We're going to need ecologists and evolutionary biologists and anthropologists. And in the last decade or two, we've already seen a big increase in the involvement of other disciplines in the conversation about what UFOs might be. But we need to be more open. And with open, I mean unbiased. Because these are ultimately biases that we apply on the research. And if we're truly trying to be scientific, we need to keep our analysis of the data set completely open, a systematic search into the information available to us through all the interpretations that have been proposed. And we should start with the more testable hypotheses, the more easily falsifiable theories. And let's start with the lowest hanging fruits and then move to the more fringe hypothesis, theories and ideas that would require unknown physics, unknown science, and unproven facts, namely the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence, the existence of extra dimensions. We need more ecological studies, more environmental mindset in the search for an answer on what UFO and UAP are. And I believe that this will ultimately teach us something about ourselves, the planet, and the relationship between us, Earth, and whatever these beings and or entities are.